Missy, go back out there. Go out there. Go show me how deep it is. Missy, go show me how deep it is. You're turning white. Where'd your feet go? You're a pretty girl. Wanna come in? Wanna come in? Missy, wanna come in? That's a pretty girl. You're so pretty. Come in and get all dried off. Come on. Missy. Ma, Gloria, will you wipe Missy off? Please. Go get her towel. Missy, come in here and get wiped off. Oh, wipe her all that snow off of her.
Good God.
What is it?
That was very white. Let's say, have my muscles look bigger there.
Did you get her head?
I tried.
Yeah, she doesn't squeal around like you do when you get your hair dried. You gonna shake it off, Missy?
You look good.
Oh, look good, Missy.
Now we can't go on the couch. I don't want the couch wet. Right, Mom?
Well, yeah, but won't hurt anything too badly. It's just water.